Hi everybody out there, Mark Mannering here from Class Training with another 3-Minute Thursday. 3 tips in 3 minutes, more or less. This time we're going to cover 3 big tips on how to create your emails more quickly from Outlook. And now away we go. Okay, and the first tip is to use Quick Parts. Now we've covered Quick Parts in other video sessions and tips, so I've just got the final result here. Here's my blank email with my signature block, and I've already got a shortcut for the so-called Quick Parts button on the Quick Access toolbar. And as you might know, Quick Parts are like mini templates where you can quickly create shortcuts and name them accordingly. I've got latest monthly report, list of courses, reply, and so on. And when I click the first one here, it inserts the content of that Quick Part. Saves me having to cut and paste and type up the content from scratch and so on. Now, the only problem with Quick Parts is that you can only insert the content of the email into the body of the message. You can't default the subject, you can't default who the email is being sent to, you can't default any attachments. So the other way to do that is to use the second tip, which is Outlook templates. Let's have a look at that. Okay, so what I've got here is a similar email to the previous one, and you can see I've got the people address there that the email is going to. I've got a default subject, again with a bit of a placeholder where I can just manually change whatever the month is. I've got an attachment there as well, and obviously the body of the email. So to save it as a template, we just go to File. Here we go Save As. And just click the Save As Type drop down here and select Outlook Template. You'll notice straight away at the top there, it defaults to the standard templates folder on my laptop or device. Just be very careful here because this is on your C drive by default, which is only localized, and if you lose your laptop or it blows up, then you'll lose all your templates. And there is a way to default this to a network drive, a shared drive, or a OneDrive SharePoint drive as well. So I'll leave the name as it is, and I'll click Save, and that's done. Now to use that template for other emails, it's a little bit clunky, but we just go to the New Items button here, come down to More Items, and believe it or not, choose Form. Click that. We go to the drop down here, look in our User Templates. And there's the name of that template there from the subject. Double click that. And up it comes, and away we go. Make any other changes to the content and obviously send that off. That's a little bit clunky, as I said, but you can make a shortcut for that Choose Form button. Click here, New Items, come down to More Items and Choose Form. Right-click that, click on Add to Quick Access Toolbar. And there it is. I just click the shortcut there, come down to User Templates, and there it is again to go from there. Now, even that's a little bit clunky, so the third tip is to create shortcuts to that template and other templates that you might have set up. Here in my Outlook, I've got another section that I've added here called the Shortcuts section. So just clicking that brings up my templates that I've already created. There's the shortcut for that particular template. Double clicking that brings up a few little messages, but I can just click yes and open. And there's my template ready to go again. So 6 of half or 1 a dozen the other, and whatever the saying is. So there you go, people, just 3 basic ideas on how to speed up sending off your emails. We cover all this in our Outlook time management sessions, especially how to set up the Quick Parts, how to create those templates, and also how to link those little shortcuts to the template. So check the website over there or down there, and we'll see you on those sessions. Mark Mannering signing off until next time. Thanks a lot. Bye.